it's recording. It is. Alright, here we go. Back up. Jumping to the right, like it's gonna fall. Almost. I guess you could have a beginner's rock crawl. I mean, I've had a few rock crawls years ago. Never really strongly. Oh, it got over it. One bar on the battery on this action camera on the actual controller. There's one more bar I got on this one over here. I think it's only one bar as well. Yeah, one bar as well on that one. Okay. Oh, let's go record. Eventually I'll tip it over. Oh, it's not good now. a 27-turn motor in it. So really, it's probably classified as a rock racer, but you can turn it into a crawler. Just do a few things to it. One thing is I need to put a crawler motor in here for sure. Battery bar on both action cameras. It's still recording though, as you can see, the light's blinking on that action camera. That is an 8-man A66 1080p Full HD cheap action camera. I got it for like $35 on Amazon. It's actually a pretty good camera. It does pretty good, believe it or not. And then the one on the Axial controller is a Activon SCX 1080p at 30 frames also, but it is more expensive. It is $49 on Amazon right now at the time of this video. I can't get the A66 anymore. Well, let me take that back. I think I did find it a few weeks ago, if I remember correctly, and it was $39.99. I got it for $34.97. The one on the DeadBolt right there on the hood on the mount. They're actually pretty good. They're not bad. Not a GoPro, but they work pretty good. I mean, good quality. The camera on the DeadBolt there does 12 megapixel photos. And the one on the Axial controller only does 6 megapixel, I believe. But both of them's picture quality is good. So, oh, the flow, don't tip it. Sorry if my camera angle is not very good. It's my first time using an action camera like that. On the middle, big rock to get in the middle. About tipping it though. Oh, oh, oh. No, back up. Another right side of the rocks. We'll call that good for the video. Again, this is the Axial SCX10 DeadBolt Rock Racer, I believe is what it truly is categorized at. But, like I said, you can turn it into a crawler. You just need to do a few things. It's a great truck, I'm going to get a crawler motor for it, and I'll just from there see what else I need to get to make it more crawler worthy. I mean, it does okay now, but I'm still going to tweak it a little bit to get it ready for crawling. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. More to come. And everyone have a great rest of your day and year.